Hey guys, today I'm doing another what's in my bag video. I recently just posted a what's in my gym bag video, which I will link down below, but I had a lot of fun filming that, and I remember at one point on YouTube it was all the rage to show people what you had in your bag, and I loved watching those videos, but I kind of feel like it died down. I don't see a lot of people posting them anymore and I miss it. So last time I did what's in my gym bag, and today I was just in the mood to do a what's in my regular bag. This is the fancier bag that I carry to work, or sometimes when I'm shopping or just hanging out with people. I just like to carry something fancier to make myself feel a little bit fancier. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the bag that I'm currently using. It's the CELINE Micro Luggage Tote bag. My mom got this for me as a really generous gift for one of my birthdays. I have a video on this, I think a long time ago. It's like a few years ago at least. I don't know where the video is, but if I can find it, I will link it down below. I have a feeling I deleted it already, but it's okay. Anyways, yes, this is the bag that I'm using, and I have my phone in there. I put it back in there for the sake of this video, but I was on my phone the whole time when I was at home, so there's that, my phone. I actually don't have a lot of items in this bag because I don't have a body strap for this. It's literally just like a little inner elbow weenus kind of hook on bag, so it gets really heavy, so I just like to keep it light and simple. Okay, so the first thing that I have in here is a planner. This is a 2017 to a 2018 planner. This is one of the academic calendars, so it starts from July and it ends in June, which is really weird. I really need to buy a planner that starts in January and ends in December, because halfway through the year I just have to get a new planner. It's just the weirdest thing ever, but I got one of these. I got this from Target for like $7. I always get the tiny planners because I don't like to carry the large ones with me. I also don't know why I carry a planner, because I'm not a busy person. I don't have meetings. I'm not a businesswoman, so I really don't understand why I'm carrying a planner. It's not like I really have to sit down and like plan stuff. Do you know what I mean? I just like carrying that because I feel like I need to have it with me. Anyways, got my wallet in here. This is a Tory Burch wallet. I think this is part of their Robinson collection. It's in the Saffiano leather, and I have this in the color like I think it was called something pink. Can't remember the name, but I will link it down below. My wallet's pretty boring. I have the standard like cash, credit cards, ID, coins. I have a few like store cards and just bandages, so it's really boring, but I really like this wallet. I got this for Christmas one year, and I also did a video on this, which I will link down below as well. Some other random stuff that I have in my bag are my keys. I have a sanitizer hooked onto it, my mailbox key. I have a gym membership, a little flashlight. I have my house keys, and then here is a little shark keychain from Coach that I got for Christmas this year. Well, not this year, it's 2018, so technically I got it for Christmas last year. But this little sharky is really cool because it has a huge pocket in its mouth. So inside I keep more cash because you can never go wrong with having too much cash on you. I have a little Burt's Bees lip balm, and then I just have bandages on the inside. Another keychain pouch that I have is this one. I got this from Bath & Body Works, and I think it's supposed to hold hand sanitizers, but instead I use it for my car keys. I have a remote car key starter, and then I have the actual car key, and then I also have a steering wheel lock on it, so I keep it like this because I always drop my car keys and it is really scratched up. So I just decided to put it in a pouch so that if I ever drop it again, it just has a pouch to keep it safe. The next thing that I feel in here is my charging cable. I think this is like a 10-foot cable or something. Sometimes when I'm in school, like the nearest outlet for me is like really far away, so I decided to get a 10-foot cable so I can charge it in my seat without having to get up and go anywhere. I don't actually have one of those portable chargers because those things get really hot, and I have a really weird paranoia about it exploding in my pocket, so I just like to bring an actual wall charger because wherever you go there's always going to be a wall charger anyway, so I just got that. That way I also don't have to remember to charge the charger to charge my phone. Do you know what I mean? Some random things on the bottom of my bag. I have my AirPods, which I do not leave the house without any kind of like headphones or earphones or whatever you call them. I need music to my ears, so I always have this. Again, my cable can always charge this when I run out, so absolutely love my AirPods. And then I have one of these L'Oreal glossy stains. This is in the color 187 Infinite Fuchsia. And then I have one of my favorite lip products right now. It's the Buxom Full On Lip Polish, and this is in the color Claire. It's just a really nice pinky glittery gloss. On the bottom of my bag, I also have one of these Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Daily Skin Therapy Concentrated Cream for your hand. I have really dry hands. I also climb, which I use a lot of chalk, and chalk dries up your skin. on top of dry skin that I already have. It's just a hot mess. So I use this so that my hand, it doesn't get scaly, bumpy, crispy, and patchy. The last thing that I have in my bag is this little pouch from Forever 21. This was part of their Disney collection and it just has Nemo and Dory in it. I actually don't keep makeup in here. I keep pads and tampons and like panty liners. So I have a bunch of giant pads, a bunch of panty liners, and tampons, of course. But I actually have a story to tell you guys of why I actually bring so much with me. So this happened to me a couple of years ago, but I was out shopping with my mom and I knew that my period was going to come. It's either going to come today or tomorrow. It has to be one of these 2 days, so I was prepared. I bought what I needed in case it did come. So again, I was out shopping with my mom and I already put in some tampons and some friggin' panty liners because, you know, that's what people do. If your period is coming, you're going to be prepared, right? So I even took super tampons and I took some regular tampons in case my flow was heavy. I can use super. If it's light, I can use regular, you know, all that normal stuff. And I have, of course, panty liners that look like this. So, of course, it freaking came when I was in Macy's. So I already knew it. I was calm. I was like, you know what? I'm going to go into the bathroom. And the freaking bathroom had 3 stalls. One of them was a handicap stall, like the super big ones. And then one of them was freaking out of order. So the only one left was the one in the middle. Whatever, I had to do what I had to do. So I go into Macy's. And you know how in America, your bathroom stalls, they have that huge freaking crack. So if someone stands in front of the bathroom stall, they can literally just turn around and see you inside, like stuffing something up your vagina. That already gave me a lot of anxiety, but whatever. I go into the stall, I feel myself leaking because my underwear is wet at this point. So I'm just like, I better hurry the fuck up because there's about to be people waiting for the stall and I don't want to like rush myself. So I go in, the bathroom is empty, I'm in the toilet and I'm like taking my pants off and I feel that it's like about to leak again. So right before blood like drips out of my vagina, like TMI. But I like literally lean back onto the toilet seat so it goes into the toilet instead of on my underwear again. That worked. I thought everything was great. So like as I'm opening my freaking tampon, I hear people coming in and I know it's a public bathroom so people are obviously supposed to walk in, but that made me so freaking nervous because I already knew I was gonna spend a long time in there. Anyways, people came in, I'm like opening this stuff and at that point for like a split second, I was deciding if I should put the panty liner on my underwear first or if I should actually put the tampon up my vagina first. The reason why I wanted to put the panty liner on my panty first was because it's freaking bloody and I can feel it on my inner thighs because when you take your underwear, like when you take your pants off, your underwear is like situated between your thighs and my thigh was touching the blood. So I thought like, you know, I wanted to put the panty liner first, but then also my vagina was leaking. So it was already like a big mess. Anyways, I opened the packaging and I'm like ready to put it in there. But I'm so nervous because I can hear them like waiting for the stall. And I don't know, for some reason, no one was using the handicap stall. So it's literally the whole line of people. Or it was me imagining a whole line of people. There's only like 3 people there, but I was imagining like a whole line of people waiting for that one stall and it made me panic. And so when I get nervous, you obviously scrunch up. And so I couldn't put my freaking tampon up my vagina. Like it was just not fitting in there. I was so nervous. I was trying to do all the so like I relaxed and then it can like just slip in there. I know, TMI. But no, I was so freaking nervous and at that point I was so frustrated. I had my coffee like situated on top of the toilet roller thing, so I was worried that the coffee was gonna fall off. I had my handbag with me, my hair is like in my face because I'm trying to do this the whole time. It was a hot mess and I was like not having it. So I did the dumbest thing that I can ever do. I literally just put my underwear back on and I just left the bathroom because I made myself nervous. I'm such an idiot. Like I should have just went in there and put it up there like any normal person would. But nope, I panicked. I literally just put that bloody underwear back on myself and I just walked out the door. And I literally waited until that family came out before I went back into the bathroom and put in my tampon. The moral of the story was, or is that if I had like giant pads with me and I started panicking, I could have just opened the pad and just put it in there, wore it, and I was like good to go. But nope, I only had tampons with me, and so my only option of holding the leak was with that damn tampon. So I'm just saying that from now on, whenever I think my period is coming, I bring lots and lots of pads. I don't like using pads, but it's in case of those emergencies, if I really had to just get up and go, like put my underwear back on, at least I know that I have a pad in there, so I don't have to panic anymore. It was just crazy. I'm stupid, I know. But yeah, there's that little mini story time, I guess. That is also the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in a next one. Bye.